In any plumbing, HVAC, or metalworking project, having the right tools for the job is essential. One of the most critical tools for working with pipes and tubing is a reliable pipe bender. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, a good pipe bender ensures precision bends without damaging your material. In today's video, we'll explore the best pipe bending tools for precision bends in 2025. We've rounded up 7 top options that provide durability, ease of use, and excellent results. Let's dive right in. Number 1. VEVOR Pipe Tube Bender. The VEVOR Pipe Tube Bender is a must-have tool for anyone working with pipes in a variety of industries, including plumbing, HVAC, and refrigeration. This ratcheting bender is designed to accommodate pipes with an outer diameter ranging from 1/4 to 7/8, making it versatile enough for various tasks. Its ratchet mechanism ensures smooth, consistent bends without excessive effort, allowing you to achieve precise results every time. The tool features high-quality steel construction, which guarantees durability and resistance to wear. The handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, making the bender easy to use even for extended periods. It also includes a set of 7 different dies to cater to various bending needs, whether you're working with copper, aluminum, or steel pipes. With its user-friendly design, the VEVOR Pipe Tube Bender makes pipe bending a straightforward task. It also comes equipped with a pipe cutter, enhancing its versatility for multiple applications. Whether you're working on air conditioning units, refrigerators, or other tubing systems, this bender will ensure your pipes are bent with precision and ease.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Pipe Tube Bender Set. If you need a complete pipe bending solution, the Pipe Tube Bender Set is an excellent option. This set comes with everything you need for bending a variety of pipes, from copper and aluminum to PEX and plastic tubing. It includes a ratcheting tubing bender with 7 multicolored aluminum heads, allowing you to easily identify the right die for your project. Designed for both professional and home use, the bender provides smooth, controlled bends with minimal effort. The set also includes a durable, high-quality construction that can handle up to 7/8 OD tubing. Whether you're working with pipes in HVAC systems, plumbing, or refrigeration, the Pipe Tube Bender Set provides a reliable and efficient way to get the job done. The kit is particularly useful for HVAC professionals as it provides precise bends for air conditioning and refrigeration lines. The compact design of the bender makes it portable and easy to store, and the multicolor heads ensure that you have the right size and type of die for each job. With this set, you'll have everything you need to bend pipes with ease and accuracy. Number 3. RIDGID 38048 Model 608 Pipe Bender. RIDGID is known for producing durable and reliable tools, and the RIDGID 38048 Model 608 Pipe Bender is no exception. This heavy-duty bender is designed specifically for bending stainless steel and other tough materials. It features a robust, high-quality stainless steel construction, which ensures that it can withstand even the toughest tasks without wearing out. The Model 608 Pipe Bender is designed for use with 1/2 pipes, making it ideal for medium-sized projects. The extra-long handles provide excellent leverage, allowing you to make precise bends with minimal effort. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with tougher materials, as it allows you to exert the right amount of force without straining your hands or wrists. The bender's design also ensures that it provides clean, smooth bends without damaging the material, reducing the risk of kinks or bends that could compromise the integrity of the pipe. Whether you're working in plumbing, heating, or HVAC systems, the RIDGID 38048 Model 608 Pipe Bender is a solid choice for precision bending. Number 4. QWORK 5/8" OD Tubing Bender. For those who need a dedicated tool for bending copper and aluminum pipes, the QWORK 5/8" OD Tubing Bender is a fantastic option. Designed with a roller-type mechanism, this manual pipe bender is specifically built for HVAC and refrigeration repair, where precise 180 degrees bends are often required. The tool is perfect for bending 5/8 OD pipes, making it a highly specialized tool for a specific range of jobs. The QWORK bender is made from durable, high-quality steel that ensures long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle even for extended use. The roller mechanism allows you to make smooth, consistent bends without damaging the tubing, making it ideal for precision work in refrigeration systems. This bender is perfect for those who work with smaller tubes and need accurate, tight bends. It also offers a high degree of control over the bending process, allowing you to adjust the angle and force applied to the pipe. With its specialized design and sturdy build, the QWORK 5/8" OD tubing bender is an excellent tool for refrigeration and HVAC professionals. Number 5. Tube Bender 3-in-1. The Tube Bender 3-in-1 is a versatile and compact option for those who need a reliable tool for bending copper, aluminum, and stainless steel tubes. This bender is designed to handle tubing with diameters of 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 OD, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, including HVAC systems, plumbing, and automotive repairs. The 3-in-1 bender is constructed from high-quality steel, ensuring both durability and resistance to wear. The tool's compact design makes it portable and easy to use in tight spaces, which is especially useful for intricate work in confined areas. The bender's precise bending capability ensures that the tubing is bent without damage, maintaining its integrity throughout the process. This tool is ideal for those who need a flexible, multi-use bender for various pipe sizes. The ability to work with different pipe diameters makes it an excellent option for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether you're working on small-scale plumbing projects or larger HVAC installations, the Tube Bender 3-in-1 offers the precision and versatility needed to get the job done right. Number 6. Pipe Tube Bender Set without reverse bend. For those who don't require reverse bending but still need a reliable tool for precise bends, the Pipe Tube Bender Set without reverse bend is a great choice. This set comes with a ratcheting bender and 7 different multicolored aluminum heads, making it easy to select the right die for your job. Designed for use with tubing up to 7/8 OD, it offers excellent versatility for various projects, particularly in HVAC and refrigeration work. The tool's ratchet mechanism provides smooth, controlled bends, allowing you to work efficiently without straining yourself. The durable construction ensures that the bender will hold up to regular use, and the multicolor heads make it easy to identify the right size for each bend. This set is particularly ideal for professionals who need quick, accurate bends without the need for reverse bending. With its robust construction and ease of use, the Pipe Tube Bender Set without reverse bend offers an affordable solution for precise bending. It's a reliable tool for anyone working on HVAC systems, plumbing, or refrigeration lines, providing accuracy and ease throughout the bending process. Number 7. Pipe Bender 3/8 Heavy-Duty Tubing Bender. The Pipe Bender 3/8 Heavy-Duty Tubing Bender is designed for those who need a tool that can handle tough materials and deliver consistent, accurate results. This bender is built for bending copper, aluminum, iron, and stainless steel pipes, making it an excellent choice for industrial and commercial applications. With its robust construction and heavy-duty design, this bender can withstand even the most demanding tasks. The tool's roller mechanism ensures smooth, precise bends, preventing any damage to the tubing during the bending process. The heavy-duty handles provide ample leverage, allowing you to apply the right amount of force without straining your hands or wrists. This feature makes the Pipe Bender 3/8 Heavy-Duty Tubing Bender ideal for professionals who need to work on tough materials and make precise bends with ease. Whether you're working in plumbing, HVAC, or any other field that requires bending pipes, this tool provides the durability and precision needed to get the job done right. With its solid construction and versatile design, the Pipe Bender 3/8 Heavy-Duty Tubing Bender is a reliable option for anyone who needs a top-quality bender for their pipe bending needs. Choosing the right pipe bender is essential for achieving clean, precise bends every time. Whether you're working with copper, aluminum, or stainless steel, these top picks for pipe bending tools in 2025 will ensure you have the perfect tool for your next project. We hope this guide helps you find the best pipe bending tool for your needs.